Holy crap, guys. Welcome to the next one. Before we can even start talking about this, the boys are already ripping apart
what kind of screw.
ripping apart the steering wheel for the Kia Stinger. With no knowledge, no nothing, just good old rip it apart and find out.
Fuck around and find out.
Pretty much. That's how it is. Yep. Okay.
This is probably too big. Actually,
That's what she said.
this comes out. Regardless. That has to come out. Yeah, we're replacing this piece out of a newer car.
Yes, because it is piano black and boring, and we want nice shiny aluminum, right?
Yeah, that's right. To match
That's
this.
right. Yep, it's got to match. Because if it doesn't match, it's boring, not interesting. Mr. Slava is not a fan of carbon fiber. Right,
Okay, so
Slava?
there's one more bolt.
Yeah.
It's basically the same, but it needs a very small screwdriver. Okay, so let me hold it. Go get a very small screwdriver.
You're gonna disconnect it or no?
You want to disconnect it? I don't really want to disconnect it.
Maybe it's easier.
Got no power.
But then you get a little bit more space.
Yeah, but it's pretty much out.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright.
Ooh, some shiny, fancy metal. Here we go. Bring it over.
So there's that, and
Yep.
that connects.
Okay, yeah. So there's one screw on the back.
This connects with the screw somehow.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks sick.
So that connects.
It's a two-piece aluminum
I don't know.
part for the steering wheel. Nice.
Does that connect like this? Yeah.
Yep, that's how it goes.
Okay, and then that basically.
Yeah, you need a longer screwdriver, longer Phillips.
Yep. I got it.
Would be nice to have power tools right now.
Oh yeah.
I'm joking.
Funny guy.
Funny guy. I'm just kidding. You'd never be able to stick a freaking power tool in the back of there. Well, you could, but I think at this point. Are you sure? Oh, there's the screw.
She's out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if all the screws are the same. No, they're not.
They're different.
This screw is different. And now,
No.
лифта. Да, Слава, что за вот просто держи вот так.
Yeah, hold it up. Are you sure it's not being held on by more screws?
It shouldn't be.
Two more in the back.
Yeah, but what
That one
screws?
right there. That.
No, wait.
See?
Where are the screws? There's just one.
No, I think
No,
there's
no,
more.
should be-
There's more,
You
yeah.
should remove the front first and
Yeah.
then the back.
Because there's ones right there in the back. Like that hold these, that hold this part.
This part.
Yes.
So
Exactly.
this piece.
Well then, that was interesting. So this piece just comes right off like that. There it is. And then you got to get the two screws that come out and hold right there. These two, 1 and 2. That's the ones that are being removed right now. Easy peasy, very straightforward. And then this goes on top like that. Crazy how simple. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
And bye-bye. Okay, the new piece. Unwrap it, sir.
Now let me screw it first and then I'll unwrap it, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, true.
Does that make sense?
That does make sense, sir. Whoa, that screw was barely even holding it. Crazy. Wow.
No, I think I was holding it. It just
Old versus new.
one side was already out.
Boom. So cool.
And again, OEM fits like a glove.
OEM fits like a glove. Glove.
Like a
Glove.
guff?
Glove.
Like a glove.
Guff.
You speak English, bro?
You speak English, bro? Guys, moral of the story, always buy genuine parts. Do not buy OEM. Do not buy OEM Plus. Buy genuine parts.
This is OEM is genuine.
OEM is genuine.
OEM Plus, isn't it?
OEM Plus. Well, this is a genuine part because you can see the part number right back there. 56171-J5001. Boom. Hand tools, baby. Clickety click, clickety clack. It's nice and tight.
Nice and tight.
Okay, wiggle it. And
Alright, it fits.
okay, and that's it. And on comes the new piece.
Comes the new piece.
bolts.
2 bolts. Well, actually, more than just 2 bolts.
No, 2 bolts.
Well, 2 bolts up
2
top.
bolts in the front, and then 1 bolt from behind.
Yeah.
Bam. There we have some precision surgical work by Mr. Nikolai. MD Vishnikov. Not PhD.
Not PhD, no.
Not PhD. Boom, just like that. Easy peasy. Okay, and then the screw in the back. Very straightforward. The one that goes right through there. Boom. All right.
Screw in the back.
Screw in the back right there. Last one. Small Phillips.
It's the toughest screw to put in.
It's okay, you are a doctor. Yo, that looks nice.
That looks sick.
It looks sick.
That's it.
That's it.
I believe so.
I believe so. Okay, unwrap the bastard.
Grab the motherfucker.
Okay, let's insert.
Yeah, give it a nice. Well, get out of the way. Just tap it. Just bang it back in. There it is. Yeah, press it.
All the sides?
That's it. Yeah. Once you click it in like that, it's in.
Yes, easy.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. And the reveal. The reveal of the. Yo.
Boom.
Okay, not all of it. There you go. Some aluminum GT. Yo. Okay, we're gonna see this in the sunshine after.
That
Matches
fits very nicely.
that.
Here.
Wow. Very nice. Boom. Just like
GG,
that.
boys.
GG boys. Okay, let's go reconnect the battery. Oh my god. Oh, we need this power tools again. Whew. What a crazy experience. I'll hold it. Okay, and the last part. Reconnect the battery. Give the car back to life. Vroom, vroom. That's it. That's good. Boom. Spare tire?
Spare tire.
Hold up. Okay, Mr. Spare Tire in case of emergency, and then screw it back in. Whoa. Is it in? Oh, adventures. Yo, the Kia Stinger got some love today, yo. Slava. It did. The Kia Stinger got a lot of love. It got a lot of, got some serious TLC today. Some tender loving. Yeah, buddy. Car is alive. Airbag is still bagging. Bueno. Si bueno.
Oh.
Nice.
That would have been a little easier, actually.
Yep, that would have been a lot easier. Okay, sir. I believe it is tight.
The spur looks okay.
Yeah.
It's decent.
It's fine. It's not gonna go anywhere.
Well,
Bueno. Bam. Boom, bam, chow. Drop it.
what?
Okay, well, don't drop it that hard.
That goes in.
That goes in. Okay.
This drops in. And that's
All nice and clean. Okay, sir. Do the complimentary start of the vehicle.
okay. Now we should be able to.
Now we should be able to close it. Okay. What? Wait, what? Why is that?
Doesn't like something. I don't know. Start the vehicle.
Start of the car?
I don't know what it doesn't like.
Maybe it doesn't know what position it's in because the battery was unplugged.
Possibly.
Okay. Yeah, close it manually. Boom. Okay. It opens. It is good. And it closes. See? All good. Hey! Okay, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Got the new spoiler for the Kia Stinger GT. Looks really nice from the previous video. And the new aluminum piece, which now matches all of the aluminum inside the car. That looks sick. Awesome. All right, let's clean it all up and let's get the hell out of here. Hell yeah, brothers. Okay, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video and the previous ones. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Hell yeah. Let's go.